Today we're going to talk about business machine security paper tray lock and why you should need it. Now, printers all have paper in them, or they have checks in them, or they have prescription paper in them. All of them need to be protected against somebody just opening up the tray and taking them. So, first what we're going to do is we're going to determine where is this product going to go. So we're going to assemble it and we're going to put it right here. And we have 2 alcohol wipes in here. This is to clean the dirt and oil off of both the printer and the little rubber flex feet. So first, clean this, and we're going to clean where these little rubber feet are going to be attached. We're going to assemble the base plate to the cover, and we're going to lock it with the key. And that will enable us to make sure when we place it on here, we're putting it in the right position. We're going to put a little drop of glue in each of the little holes, these little puddles here. You want to put the front cover against the tray, and you want to slide it across. And unlock it, slide that forward. I'm going to unscrew. So now we're going to squeeze this on. So now we're going to replace the base plate onto the flex feet. Slide the cover, let me get out of the way. Slide the cover onto the base plate, and then you lock it. Now that's on there. Now, no matter what you do, you're not going to get that paper tray open, and your prescription paper, your checks, and your regular bond paper is safe from a thief.